I don't think people understand how easy it is to make 50K from home. Let's break it down. First, identify your skill. This is the foundation of your freelance career. Think about what you enjoy doing and what you're good at. It could be anything from writing, graphic design, coding, or even something more niche like voice acting or video editing. The key is to find something that you can offer as a service to others. Are you good at writing, graphic design, or coding? Maybe you have a knack for social media management or digital marketing. The possibilities are endless. Once you've identified your skill, it's time to hone it. Practice makes perfect, and the more proficient you become, the more valuable your services will be. Next, sign up on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. These platforms are a great way to get your foot in the door and start building a client base. They provide a marketplace where clients are actively looking for freelancers to complete various tasks. Make sure to fill out your profile completely and accurately. Build a strong profile. Showcase your best work. Set clear goals. Your profile is your first impression, so make it count. Include a professional photo, a compelling bio, and a portfolio of your best work. Be clear about what services you offer and what makes you unique. Setting goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Aim to get a few small gigs first. These initial projects might not pay much, but they are crucial for building your reputation. Every completed job and positive review will boost your profile and make you more attractive to potential clients. Once you have some reviews, bigger jobs will follow. Positive feedback is like gold in the freelance world. It builds trust and credibility, which are essential for landing higher-paying gigs. Don't be afraid to ask satisfied clients for reviews. Now, don't forget to network. Networking is not just about finding clients. It's also about building relationships with other freelancers. These connections can provide support, advice, and even job referrals. Join online communities. Attend virtual meetups. There are countless online groups and forums where freelancers gather to share tips, ask questions, and support each other. Participating in these communities can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Connections can lead to more opportunities. Stay organized. Managing multiple projects can be challenging, but staying organized will help you meet deadlines and keep clients happy. Use tools like Trello or Asana to manage your projects. Time management is key. These tools can help you keep track of tasks, deadlines, and progress. Effective time management will allow you to take on more projects without feeling overwhelmed. Take online courses to improve your skills. The freelance world is constantly evolving, and staying up to date with the latest trends and technologies is crucial. There are many online platforms that offer courses in various fields. The better you get, the more you can charge. As you gain experience and improve your skills, you can start charging higher rates. This will not only increase your income, but also attract higher quality clients. There you have it. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to earning 50K a year from home. Happy freelancing! Remember, consistency and perseverance are key. Keep pushing forward and you'll achieve your goals.